m varies inversely to n squared. If m is equals to 4, when n is equals to 3, find a formula connecting m and n. So, step 1, write the equation relating m and n. So, step 1, write an equation relating m and n. Now, to do that, we'll start with a proportional statement. So, m is inversely proportional to n squared, which means when m increases, n squared will be decreasing, which means there has to be a constant of proportionality that connects these guys. So we can say m is equal to k over n squared, where k is the constant of proportionality. And we'll soon find what it is. So step 2, substitute m is equals to 4 and n is equals to 3 to solve for k. So basically, if we substitute these guys, we'll end up with 4 is equals to k over 3 squared, which means, and by the way, 3 squared is 9, so that will be 4 is equals to k over 9, and k will be equal to the opposite of dividing by 9 is multiplying. So k will be 4 multiplied by 9, which is 36. So k is equals to 36. Okay. Step 3. Rewrite the equation using a newly found value of k. So step 3. Rewrite the equation using your newly found value of k. Which means that m will be equal to k, which is 36 over n squared. So m will be equal to 36 Okay. We can use that formula to work out B and C. B found value of m when n is equals to 2. So B, we are finding the value of m when n is equals to 2. So that means that m will be equal to 36 over 2 squared, 36 over 4, which is just 9. Okay. And then for C, we have value of n when m is equals to 1. So we have 1 is equals to 36 over n squared. Now, The opposite of dividing by n squared is multiplying by n squared. So we have n squared is equals to 36. The opposite of squaring n is square root. So n is equals to square root of 36, which is 6. So n is equals to 6.